Hey everyone, and welcome back to Kids World. Today, we're going to become grammar superheroes by mastering a super important skill: subject-verb agreement. It sounds tricky, but I promise it's super easy and even fun. Ready? Let's dive in. So, what are subjects and verbs? Think of it like this. The subject is the star of the sentence, the person or thing doing the action. The verb is the action itself. For example, in the dog barks, dog is the subject and barks is the verb. Easy, right? Now for the main rule. Subjects and verbs must agree, like best friends holding hands. If the subject is singular, just one, the verb usually ends in S, like the cat sleeps, one cat, so the verb gets an S. He plays one boy, so the verb gets an S. But what if there's more than one? If the subject is plural, more than one, the verb doesn't get an S. For example, the cats sleep, lots of cats, so no S on the verb. They play more than one person, so no S on the verb. See the pattern? Singular subject, add an S. Plural subject, no S. Let's try one together. The bird ... fly or flies. That's right, flies, because bird is singular. How about the birds? Fly or flies? You got it. Fly because birds is plural. You're a natural. Now for two special subjects, I and you. Even though they talk about one person, they follow the plural rule. So we say I walk, not I walks, and you sing, not you sings. It's just a special rule to remember for our friends. I and you. Let's level up. What about sentences with words like is, are, was, and were? It's the same idea. We use is and was for singular subjects. The girl is happy. The car was red, and we use are and were for plural subjects. The girls are happy, the cars were red, and remember our special friends. I am and I was, but you are and you were. Feeling confident? Before we tackle some trickier examples, if you're finding this helpful and want to learn more cool things with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button for Kids World right now. Do you and forget to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Alright, challenge time. What about sentences with phrases between the subject and the verb? For example, the box of crayons ... is or are on the table. Don't get tricked by crayons. The main subject is box. How many boxes? Just one. So, the correct verb is. The box of crayons is on the table. Always find the true star of the sentence. Here's another one. Compound subjects joined by and. When you have two or more subjects linked by and, they become plural. So, Tom and Jerry, like or likes cheese. Since we have Tom and Jerry, that's two, so it's plural. The answer is like, Tom and Jerry like cheese. But what if they're joined by or nor? This one is cool. The verb agrees with the subject that's closest to it. Look at this. Either the students or the teacher. Has or have the book. The subject closer to the verb is teacher, which is singular. So, we say has. Either the students or the teacher has the book. If we flip it, either the teacher or the students has or have the book. Now, students is closer, which is plural. So, we use have. Cool, right? You've all done an amazing job today. We've gone from the basics all the way to some advanced subject-verb agreement rules. Remember, the key is to find the subject and see if it's singular or plural. Practice makes perfect, so keep an eye out for subjects and verbs in the books you read and the things you hear. Thank you so much for learning with me today on Kids World. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. We can't wait to see you in the next adventure. Bye for now.